so it did come in the mail. I'm gonna open it up. What's it say? It says healthy is happy. Sweet. So I'm gonna do a lot of product photos with these. You'll see what's gonna be up, but it actually was like surprisingly less heavy than I thought it was gonna be. So let's see. Sweet. Okay. So I'll show you what we got. Corn sweet peppers. It's the first thing on this list. Corn sweet peppers, very yummy. Look at this. Try those out. Probably gonna put stuff over there. Gourmet popcorn. I really wanted to try these, so I got them. Come on. Sweet. We got creatine for when I work out later. We're not working out today because I worked out pretty hard last night, yesterday, which is why I think I'm kind of tired. So this right here is basically, it's extreme capsules. I've had these before. They're basically caffeine. Let's see what else is there. I guess there is some vitamin B, zinc, vitamin B12. Yeah, but this stuff is really amazing. I just put it in whatever drink I want, and I'm caffeinated. And then I decided to try something different here. We got the coral calcium, so I thought this would be actually a really good product. So coral calcium. You'll hopefully see another video with that. And then what is this? This is protein snack. I think this is like, it says 30 grams protein, so that's pretty cool. And then we got more peanut butter, protein, Choco crisp peanut butter. So this, it says right on there protein. So I was like, if I get any kind of peanut butter, it's gonna have to have protein, a lot of protein. Let's see how much it says. It says 30 grams of protein. Yeah, per 100 grams. Cool. And then we got this. Oh, dude, I can totally try this today. It is the, well, I don't know if I want to try it today, but it's the shampoo. It's just some shampoo, Dermo-Calm shampoo, and it's very reflective, as you can see. Dermo shampoo, cool. And then what else? Oh, and then this. I think I might get a bigger box of this because I always run out of this like super fast. So yeah, that's what we got today, this weekend. Our box of things. Put them all back in here, just so that I keep track. I'm probably just gonna put them back in my cabinet. So that's what we got going on. I'm actually gonna set them out so that I can do like a little Instagram thingy. But yeah,